Hey guys, this is Fuzzbuzz coming to you live from Antalya. 34-degree forecast today. Going to be a cracking day, no clouds in the sky. Haven't done one of these videos in a while, so I thought we can go out to Bozyaka. Never been there before. It's a little town of Manavgat, about 60-70 kilometers away. It's really famous for its whitewater rafting. I won't be doing any whitewater rafting, but just want to go down and check it out, see what it's all about. So come along for the ride and hope you enjoy. Fuzzbuzz signing out.
Hey, pop the trunk, I open up, I sold my soul a good price, out of sight. My hoe got talent, right? Whole squad ran, do that shit, yay.
No stop sign, speed limit. Nobody's gonna slow me down. Like a wheel, gonna spin it. Nobody's gonna mess me around. Hey, set up.
Hey guys, this is Fuzzbuzz. On this little trip, we're at the Köprülü Canyon, which means a canyon with a bridge. The bridged canyon, I think. That's the interpretation. And this is what it looks like. This is the whitewater rafting center of Antalya. It's been beaming with tourists. Little buses going past me every minute. There's people fishing down in this fresh water down here, as you can see. Absolutely a cracking day, 30 degrees plus. As you can see, green, lush. I mean, who wouldn't want to come out here? That's what it is. I'll just cross the road for you. Absolutely beautiful. Like a bird's eye view. That's what it looks like from behind me. It's absolutely gorgeous. Enjoy this little trip. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash the like button. If you got any comments, any questions, please ask. Okay guys, this is it. This is the white water rafting. This is where it starts. As you can see just straight down there, the boats are off and they're going to head down. Lots of tourists come out here daily, especially in summer. I mean, it's not, the white water isn't really white. It's not really that bad, I guess. But it looks like lots of fun. And they're going. Good luck to them. With a few screams and yelps. As you can see, they're off and going. There they go. As you can see them just through the trees there. There they go. Through the channel and out the other side. And they're gone. There's a whole lot more of them coming. What a cracking day for it. I might have to book it in and get my GoPro out and off I go.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to go over everything. They say that time's supposed to heal you, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in
Here we are guys, this is Fuzzbuzz. I decided I'll have a stop and have something to eat. I'm going to crack some eggs with some sucuk, which is like a cabana sausage I guess. And as you can see, here is my working station. I've got tomato, red bell pepper, onion. I got my salt, pepper, chili flakes. I have my bread and I have my coffee. Not much else you can want here. And I got my Turkish sausage. Cracking day for it. Let's see how we go with this. Here's my sucuk and eggs. Simmering away. Soon it'll be time to eat and I can't wait. Guys, here it is, end product. Sucuk and eggs. A bit of a red dip, salsa dip, bread, olives, cheese, coffee, river, mountains. What else could you want possibly? My God. Anyway, if anyone's in the area, please pop in. You can share it with me. This is Fuzzbuzz. Please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, get your friends to subscribe, get your friends to subscribe, and your grandparents too. Adios. This is Fuzzbuzz signing out.